How to connect Namecheap domain with Hostinger hosting. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Namecheap domain with Hostinger hosting. Let's get started. First, in your Hostinger H panel, go to Website List. To create a new website, click on the Add Website icon. Next, select which type of website you want to create. For this tutorial, I am choosing PHP, but the process is the same for any option. Now, switch to your Namecheap tab. Go to your domain list and find the domain you want to connect to Hostinger. Copy your domain name from here, go back to Hostinger, paste your domain name, and select the option Do you own this domain. Click Use to it. Hostinger will tell you this domain is registered at another provider and will need to be verified. Click Next. You will now see a message domain isn't connected yet. Click Check Guide and Hostinger will show you the name servers you need to use. Click the copy icon next to the first and second field. Switch to Namecheap. Under Name Servers, choose Custom DNS. Now, paste the first and second name server into the field. Click Save. You will see a message that says DNS updates may take up to 24 hours. Now, go back to Hostinger. Click I have changed my name server records, then click Finish. Hostinger will remind you that the process may take some time and click Close. And that's it. You have connected Namecheap domain with Hostinger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.